You've probably heard of ByVM or Frantech. ByVM is a company owned by Frantech. They offer virtual servers and storage. So let's see a tutorial for how to use it. Maybe you've never used them before. Let's do a tutorial for that. So I'll put my link in the description, and the link is going to guide you to this page, Frantech. From here, you can order. Here you can view the products. Let's say, for instance, you want to view the dedicated KVM virtual machines. You're just going to click there on dedicated, and you can see the different options that are available. But if you want to view even more, then you'll need to come to this page, and this is where my link is going to take you. As I've said, Frantech is the mother company and owns ByVM. Once you come to this page, just click on order hosting, and here you're going to see all the available products. Las Vegas virtual machines, New York, Miami, and then block storage as well. Miami block storage, New York block storage. So you can select whichever product you want. And another good thing, another positive feature with Frantech or ByVM, you get a free Directadmin license. So if you click here on free software licenses, once you order your server, you can come in here and order, and this is one step. Just click, you'll get a license that you can use on your server. So I'm not going to buy a server because whenever I buy a server, first of all, it's going to flag my order, and consequentially, I will have to contact support, and usually they'll enable the order and allow me to pay. So that's probably because of my location. If you're in a different location, maybe your order will go through successfully in one touch. But even if it gets flagged, don't worry about it. Just contact support and tell them you're trying to buy, and then they will enable the order and you can make your purchase successfully. You'll get the details for your server via email. If you want to manage your virtual machine, if you want to manage your VPS or your server, your block storage, you can manage it here under Stallion. Just open Stallion and then log into your Stallion. I'm already logged in. So I have one server here. I can use this as a demo for you. So I'm just going to come here under manage. Let's look at the options that we have. An overview. You look at the overview of your server there, the IP, the location, and then the latest logs. If the server was started, it was stopped, you'll see that there. And then under settings, you can enable API settings. If you want to connect to your server remotely via API, you can click there to view the documentation. You can change your server host name right there, and all these other options for KVM, you can also change those there. And then graphs, you can just see how your server is being used, the different metrics for your server, the CPU usage, network, disk, and so on. Maybe you want to see how the server has been performing for the last 7 days, 30 days, and so on. You can change that right there. And then logs, anything that has changed for your server, restarts, reinstallation of the operating system, and so on. Maybe you want to set up the reverse DNS for your server. You can come in here and edit the reverse DNS. Just click there on settings to change the reverse DNS for that. You can also assign IPv6. If you want to deal with routed subnets, enable private networking. So private networking will only work with virtual machines in the same location. And then if you want to deal with BGP, you can set that. You can set it up there. Backups and snapshots. You can enable backups and snapshots, and definitely enable backups and snapshots. Backups occur every day, and it is 10% of your server. If your server is $5, then the backup will be 10% of 5, which is 0.5. Then reinstall. This is where you're going to reinstall your operating system. Maybe you want to switch from Ubuntu to Debian. You can just come in here, select and reinstall with a different template. If you want to use a custom ISO, you have a specific OS you want to use, come here under CD-ROM and upload it. Volumes, if you've enabled any volumes, that is block storage, you can come here and manage them. You can attach them to the different slices that you buy from Frantech. So that's pretty much how to manage the server. Of course, if you want to log in, you'll use the details you get in your email and use that to log in. So you want to log into this IP, right? If you're on Windows, download Git Bash. Download Git and use Git Bash to do these Linux commands. So maybe you want to log into your server, that is the IP. You're just going to do SSH and the user will be root at your IP. So of course, this is not my real IP. So even if I enter, it's probably going to be an error because this IP is not accessible. It is not the IP for my server. Let me go back here to the store. This is like the store, the backend where you can manage your services. So if you want to buy anything else, you can always come here and order a new service and that will lead you here, or you can view available add-ons. So I don't have any add-ons, but once I buy add-ons, I believe they should be added there. Let's say, for example, that I want to update my server. I want to upgrade from my current server to something better. I can come here under my services. I will go to the service that I want to upgrade and I can choose their upgrade or downgrade. Right, so this should cover a quick Frantech guide or demo. If you want to use them, you can use the link in the description. And if you need help setting up your server, feel free to let me know.